Hi all, I am Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. So with this video, we are going to be talking about my ZZ plant. So if you are into plants and nature, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So starting with today's video, first let me tell you the story of my ZZ plant, like what actually happened to my plant. So starting with the period when I got it, I got it in year 2021. So back then it was very lush green and healthy, and after having it also like for a year or like 1.5 year, it was doing really well, and it even grew so that I had to just divide it into two planters. It was going really nice, but suddenly one fine day, actually in previous monsoon, when I randomly was checking out my plants, I saw that this was not doing well. So I decided to check the soil, and by the time I checked the soil, it was really very late, and all the roots had already rotted along with the rhizome, which all, sorry for this noise. Okay, so all the roots were already rotted along with the rhizome. So finally the only option I had was to propagate the remaining part from it. So I had various options in my mind, so I decided to go for each one of them by several parts of the plant, and here we are going to discuss all of them. Okay, so talking about the methods of propagation which I use, there are mainly 4 methods which I tried out, and some went successful while some went unsuccessful out of them. So the 4 methods I used was like a leaf in water, then stem in water, then leaf in soil, and then stem in soil. These are the 4 methods mainly which I used, and out of them let me show you the first unsuccessful method. Okay, this might have gone successful as well. So here are some jelly balls. This is the like a leaf in water wala method. So here what I did was I took some leaf of the plant, like you can see, like, yeah, single leaf cutting from here I took, and I kept it directly inside these jelly balls. So what these jelly balls will do is they will release water slowly, so that will prevent it from root rot. And from this method I have I also got success in getting the rhizome out of the leaves, but suddenly leaf started like drying out, and that's why I couldn't save this my leaf and the tiny roots. So that's the case. So let us check for the another method here. So here we have another leaf cutting. So these are inside the soil, and as we see, the leaves here are healthy, and so we could predict that we have good root structure developed here. So here we have these leaves, and let us gently try to open this up just to see the roots if they have grown any, and be very gentle. I am being very gentle here to see, and yeah, we can see our this rhizome has already grown with along with like 2 leaves are here. And let's check for the another leaf here as well. I'm pulling out soil from like more bottom end so that it won't damage any root structure, because it is still very delicate and need to take care of it. Okay, so it has grown roots as well. So here it is. Yeah, I am happy with this progress. But the only disadvantage with the leaf cuttings anyways, like in soil either or in water, the only disadvantage we could see is like the growth is very slow compared to that of the stem cutting. So it will take very long to grow into a new plant. So once we have this stage, after that it will grow like this for months and months, and after that out of this we will get a new stem and a new plant, and it will grow afterwards. So yeah, that's the process it is going to follow in coming days. So the next method we have is of stem cutting. Okay, so this one is very successful and very pretty, which short videos I have uploaded on my channel already. So as we see here, it has okay, so you can see it here, it has already developed rhizome, it has already grown so many of roots, and it is going really healthy, and I'm waiting to see the further growth. Like out of all 4 methods, this is the most successful one which I have observed. As we already see, these are the healthy leaves, and we have also seen the root system from outside, that it is looking nice. But let's once try to remove these leca balls from here and check how the roots are doing. And yeah, like if you don't know what these leca balls are, like you can check that from my previous videos. These are nothing but simply like small clay balls kind of structure. Those help in giving support to the root system. The roots have grown very nicely, and maybe due to that it is taking little more efforts to get this out. The whole plant has stabilized itself inside it according to the environment provided. And finally, here it is. Just look at those roots, like very white, very healthy, and the little rhizomes are also forming over here. And maybe very soon we would get a new shoot as well from this. That would be completely a new plant, so I'm eagerly waiting for that to happen. Yeah, it's really very nice. I'm in love, guys. Good healthy roots always make me fall in love with them. And now going towards our fourth and last one. So here we have it in the soil, a stem cutting. So like a month earlier I have seen this, like roots. The root structure was going really nice. Now I am doubtful that the roots might have rotted here. I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, we can check that right away. Let's check the roots, and we could conclude that if anything is wrong over here or what. Earlier when I tried to see, it was doing fine. Shit. It has gone completely. Okay, maybe I will try to cut it from here and then we can check further. But yeah, like a month earlier this was doing good, and I could see the little rhizome over here. But sadly that didn't grow due to what, I don't know, maybe root rot kind of stuff, due to more water maybe. So yeah, these were all the propagation methods which I tried out, and the success, or we could say my failure, whatever the results are, these all are the honest results we got here. And now my hands are dirty. I need to wash them off. Thanks for watching this video. Do like it if you found it helpful, and comment down your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Along with that, you could also, like, it would be really helpful if you try to provide your own. Did you hear that? Diwali is coming in India. Yeah, it was like fireworks. Yeah, what I was telling is, please comment down your results and experiences regarding ZZ propagations in the comment section below, so that it would be helpful for our viewers as well. Share this with your gardening lover friends, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.